Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change a language setting on Heyday application. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Heyday app on your mobile device. Once you open up Heyday on your mobile device, the next thing to do is to tap on the three horizontal menu at the top left corner. Click on the settings button and then from the settings menu, go to language option and tap on it. From the list of languages available, go ahead and select the language you want to change to. From the list of available languages, select the language and tap on it, and this will restart the game in the chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language setting in Heyday. You can get back to the same menu and change to a different language of your preference whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.